In 1969, three men founded a company which is now known as DHL and abbreviated of their names. The first thing they did was to transport cargo documents from San Francisco to Honolulu, which substantially reduced the waiting time in the harbor. With this, buyers can save a lot of money and time. In 1988, 16,000 workers were recruited in 170 countries. A freight business was formed, leading to the spread of DHL to all over the globe.
A business model is outline how a company develop, distribute and collect value in various contexts, including economy, social, culture and the other dimension. In simple words, business model assists a company in growing by evaluating the product to be sold and the technique to market their product or service. It also can help in the analysis of expense and earnings. Following that, business models is one of plan for running profitable company in a certain market. There are four main divisions of DHL business model. First was e-commerce parcel division. DHL is focusing on improving their productivity, quality and cost. DHL also expanding their offerings in the post-business unit in order to improve their service parcel sector and develop the digital service. Second, for express division, DHL use global advertising to target the business. When growing volumes contribute to network economy of scale, DHL returns on sales improve. Productivity is increased by innovation and automation. DHL is gradually streamlining the IT system. Third, global forwarding and freight. DHL place a premium on customer service and provide manufacturing the final quality. IT system are being enhanced and replaced, including the industry proven alternative. DHL also is concentrating on increased cargo visibility, electronic document management and a new transport management system. Fourth, the supply chain division provide customer-centric outsourcing solution through two division. DHL is improving efficiency and quality by manufacturing operation global and lowering their complexity. For complexity of DHL business model, logistic industry requires huge investment to set up the operation and grow time to time, and this made DHL complex. It also packed with domestic and internationally competitor, and the market growth is shared by all. Next, DHL also have fewer marketing costs than FedEx and UPS. This has an impact on branding recognition and business success. DHL also is under attack from the series of local business and face tremendous competition in form of lower and more penetrating in certain market.
Next, I will present about big data. The term big data refers to massive amount of data that can be systematically collected from a variety of resources and then analyzed and assessed using a modern technology. Every day, there are about 1 million of specific data for delivery such as destination, size and weight for goods with information or description as recorded. Also, data can be used for a new business model and provide a competitive advantage for a firm. Next, I will present about big data in DHL. Big data is critical for DHL company to ensure that they can provide a better service to their customer while also efficiently manage their operation. There are a few reasons why big data is important to the DHL company. The first one is operational efficiency. DHL has created the DHL Smart Truck which uses the big data. The goal is to optimize package delivery route in real time, taking into consideration the delivery order, traffic condition and the reception availability. The smart truck fuel use and carbon dioxide emissions were both drastically reduced. Other than that, in 2015, DHL launched a crowdsourcing platform called MyWay used for a delivery the parcel. Second is acquisition of a customer experience. In DHL business model, the cost of acquiring a new client is considered greater than that of maintaining a current customer. Big data analytics may assist in gaining individual consumer understand and creating focused consumer value. DHL company must leverage many data resources and apply big data analytics to gain this knowledge not just for one client but across the whole customer base. DHL company use big data and machine learning to predict customer behavior as well as creating integrate consumer insight and operational success. The last one is new business model. DHL data analysis service are aimed for SME who lack the capacity to conduct their own specialized market service. DHL also has DHL Vista, which is an online geo-marketing platform for SME. It provides a realistic sale, forecast and local competition analysis based on a scientific methodology. DHL address management is used for a direct matching of input data with a benchmark. DHL approved that extra specific data from real-time video and sensor data are now forming the technological foundation for a new introduction for a new information business strategy.
Next, the importance of big data in an organization. The amount of data that a company has does not depend on the value of big data. Every company analyzes the extensive data collected in its unique way. The more effectively a business uses its data, the faster it will expand. Big data can be used to improve operations and customer service, identify new possibilities, and engage in other activities that boost long-term revenue and profitability. Businesses that use big data can gain a competitive advantage by making more informed and timely business decisions. Real-time and historical data can be used to assess corporate and consumer purchases evolving preferences. Businesses can gain benefit from big data technologies such as cost-cutting. According to Davenport, more companies adopt big data analytics to develop new products to meet their customers' needs and so on. DHL Big Data Analysis has focused on the importance of information assets and how logistic firms may utilize data to improve performance of the firm. There are 3 significant problems must be solved to achieve a successful deployment in DHL. First is it requires complete transparency of data resources and ownership to discover data that is currently available in the firm. Second, data characteristics must be precisely organized and explicitly stated across numerous databases to avoid unclear data mapping. Third, good information quality management must be established. Moreover, specific data sources must have great overall data quality. The need of computational mathematics skill to determine whether or not insights are trustworthy and relevant. Next, expertise is required to deploy the appropriate approach for each individual data processing difficulty.
Cloud is a technology that has a simplified information storage and distribution. It is virtual and can store as many data as possible compared to physical devices such as pen drive, HDD and SSD which has limited storage. There are 3 common models of cloud services which is SaaS, IaaS and PaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, which is the most convenient cloud computing service as it is already designed as the end user. It has automatic upgrade, so users don't have to do it manually. The data safety is secured, and we still can access the data even if our device is broken. The example of SaaS is Gmail and Google Drive. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service, which is the most popular as it provides on-demand access to fundamental computing resources. It has the lowest control of computing resources in the cloud and the most desirable because of its speediness of distribution. The example of IaaS is Microsoft Azure. PaaS is a platform as a service, an on-demand platform for operating without the issues of maintaining on-premises platform. Modern PaaS usually uses containers to virtualize the operating system. PaaS acts as a platform framework for the application. For example, that can be seen as Google App Engine, Mozo, and Force. Cloud-based technology is slowly replacing in-house servers for data infrastructure maintenance. As work goes online, the trend will continue to expand. APIs are the basis of on-demand logistics services and real-time data processing. APIs allow carriers and 3PL providers to replace EDI systems with centralized cloud-based platforms. The outbreak of COVID-19 has emphasized the need of better data sharing as remote work is becoming a norm. Besides, API enables apps communication. We will proceed on why should DHL adopt cloud technology. First, it is because the expansion of Internet of Things, which provide low-cost systems automation and enable wireless control and data monitoring. And in simple words, IoT helps logistics and data sharing to be possible in the company. Second reason is artificial intelligence and machine learning. As both of them grow, cloud is needed. These 2 technologies help logistics companies to use real-time data to estimate demand. They can also design a warehouse using AI and ML technology. Other reason is because ML automate numerous chores.
Cloud computing allows business to control computing resources from afar. It also enables organizations to access information from any place at any time. Cloud computing offers 4 types of model: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Public cloud is an information technology model that managed by third party and used by several companies over the public internet. Private cloud provides computer service to a private internet network and selected user. Hybrid cloud combine and integrate public and private cloud. It also allows companies to execute the most critical workload on in own server. Community cloud is shared cloud computing service. In this model, the organizing of community will vary, but member will have a equivalent in security, privacy, compliance, and performance. Next, I will talk about importance of cloud technology. One of the important is cost effectiveness. This is because cloud computing is monthly subscription-based strategy that is only paid when the service is used, and user can stop paying if they no longer want to use it. And it's much cheaper to use by any business. Another important is increased security. By enhancing security, it can protect business from hacking and theft of internet data. Next is flexibility. Cloud server provide virtual infinity bandwidth and storage capacity. It allows business to increase and decrease their own capacity. Employee can access application and data stored on cloud server from any location at any time if they have internet connection. Lastly, data recovery and data backup. Data never stored in one location. It's shared and stored in data center. Data also can be recovered quickly because it's stored on cloud server.
For conclusion, after many readings and study done on DHL supply chain, we can see how the operation brings success to the company. DHL is a good business because it always found ways to improve their performance from time to time. As a result of this pandemic COVID-19, the worldwide IT infrastructure and logistic data need to be improved. Adopting cloud technology helps DHL to have a better security, efficient cost, more flexible, and ability to backup the data. Cloud-based supply chain management also quickly expanding in DHL business. That's all for our group. Thank you.